Yo, yo, yo. See here. Market just opened. After a weekend of watching my previous streams and my trading in general, I've come to several powerful conclusions. I am basically delusional. Oh man, scalping the 15-second chart. I definitely have an edge in the market, but it's too hard to execute consistently. It's too much noise, too fast. So I'm gonna have to move up in time frames here. It's gonna be a learning curve and some adjustment, but feeling really good about it. Let's see. Downside session model, Asia, London, below the new week opening gap. Is midnight open here. Weekly, super bullish candles on the weekly. We are at a premium in the range. So you could get a little bit of a pullback. So we expect a weekly candle to close long. This is the target for the week. 25.36. I'm not going to try to pick a bottom is the thing. So we did tag this swing here. This is the liquidity that I want to see taken. This one, at least. Friday's low is not necessary per se. I do like it to get to this yellow line here. Sort of like you can see price agreed, chopped around, up, down, up, and then seeing price come back down to here be great. Gonna have to start being super patient. I'm gonna try my best to only trade in one direction. So on that note, I'm actually gonna write up my game plan right quick. Let's see here. Today is the 5th, Monday. So a lot of people, everyone keeps asking me, bro, why do you trade? No one watches your stream. Like, why do you stream live? Why do you stream live if no one watches? Let's see your channel. I watch it. First off, that's all I really care about. I watch the stream to learn and to talk through my process, so I'm not just lost in my head doing whatever. Let's see, and thirdly, I have everything that I'm doing documented, which is just generally good for where I'm going. And there's another reason too. Let's see. Get shareable link. Stream links. Trading kind of you know, lonely task and stuff. So it's a chance to show people what I do. Also, some new traders might find it. There might be a new trader out there that just resonates with the way that I trade, and if I can help them, then that's the point. Mm-hmm. So NQ analysis. Let's really think about this. Let's go to the monthly. Gapping up on the monthly, huge shooter. Inside a monthly fair value gap. So like I said, we're at a premium. Keeping the charts clean here. Weekly. Bullish candle, bullish candle. At minimum, you would think we would close above 277. Daily bullish. So 277. At minimum, you think we would take out 277 this week. Anything's possible here. This line, not that interested in. Let's see. Down, up, down, up. Possibly a broadening formation here too. This week, let's go to regular NQ. Huge down week. You would think there's follow through. Nope. Rips right up. Big down week spike. Does not take the low. Rips right up. So here you have a big up candle. Doesn't have to take the high. It really doesn't have to take the high. It could just go down. Down, down, down. Doesn't take the low. Just pushes right up. So there's lots of examples of zero follow through on weekly candles. That being said, it's still probably unlikely that we get none. So I'm chilling. I got some other projects dialed up. Super patient FOMC on Wednesday. Let's see what could happen here. We have fair value of this range is here. FOMC could drift lower today, tomorrow. News opens here. Hi, where is it? Can you bring her a blanket? Thank you. So, news loves to pop off at fair value. So, let's say, we could just fail here, still be within the weekly range. FOMC hits, we're at fair value, then we go. So, totally possible. Very unlike me to be able to basically wait for a day or two for a setup. I like the action, not gonna lie, but it's not working for me, so I'm gonna have to pivot whether I like it or not. So can the market get down to here? Absolutely. Easily. Dead smack in the middle of yesterday's range right here, this line. So, yep, I'm chilling today. see. Huh. Some people messaging me. Let's see. Yeah, it's ugly. So let me finish my game plan for today. My game plan is, let's see, bullish weekly, longs only, waiting for, I said that I want this level. Let's go to the actual ticker that we trade. $19,864. $19,864. Waiting for 19,864 to get swept before I am interested. Bullish weekly, downside session, model, longs only, plan, wait for A plus setups, no more scalping the 15-second chart. Plan, only take obvious setups. That's a no-brainer from now on. BE at 1-to-1. Trail at 1.5 R. Target liquidity. Let's see, trail. Break even at 1-to-1, trail at 1.5 R, target liquidity. Perfect. Let's see. Break even and partial. Partial at 1-to-1. I'm going to do partials. Kind of working on a new system here. Let's see. Switching from scalping to day trading. A little bit borderline swing trading. Um, let's see here. Let's see. FOMC week, not in a rush to get in a trade on trade. Say Monday of FOMC week. Bullish weekly / daily. Inside session model, longs only plan. We've second chart. Back test. Swing model. Trade management. Boom. There we go. Post. Okay, let's see. Just posted my game plan here. Okay, you can go away now. And Discord game plan. Yo, I definitely run a Discord. You already know. Me and my brother-in-law. It's gangsta. And then one dude, Jim, trades DR. Me and my brother-in-law and Jim. Jim's the man. Let's see. See. Happy Monday. Let's have a great week. All right. Tap midnight open and fail. Saw it coming a mile away. Some dude's asking for the source code for this indicator from before I updated it, but I actually literally only changed the name. So I don't know what he's trying to do. Kind of funny. Let me see. Private. Apex PA account hanging on by a thread after I keep accidentally freaking selling / buying minis instead of micros. No excuse for that one. So I need to figure out how to get alerts to work on this thing. Let's see, set, add alert. Let's see here. Add alert. Let's see what happens when it hits. Does it make a sound? Ew, man. This is ugly right here. Oh, it did make a sound. That's pretty great. So on that note, I'm going to go to the 4 hour. I actually want to know when it gets to this. Let's see here. Can you add an alert to a drawing? $19,907. $19,907. Create. Huh? Oh, I see what's happening. Can I drag this? Yes. All right. And let me see something here. Simple moving average. $20 SMA, tap up. Alert on SMA. 50 SMA close. Crossing only once. You see? Just for fun. I want to see if this works. Now let's see if this alert moves with this moving average. It looks like it will. All right, I'm probably going to end this stream because I just kind of wanted to update y'all, document my process, but the chances of me taking a long here anytime soon are very, 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 very low. Or any trade for that matter. And I'm about to just start doing lots of research and such, which is not going to be interesting. On that note, y'all have a great Monday. Take it easy.